this thing's supposed to be empty. Hey, that one Liberace, yeah. Maybe that's a souvenir. I forgot to get it back. Yeah, the Russian museum out there. That's what, when I was out with Buddy Burnett, I was in Skid Row Dracula. And Buddy was driving around in Vegas, and I went up on the stratosphere, you know, yeah. I went to Megadog, a 14-inch hot dog. That's when I was filming Jesus Walks Vegas. I had my little face on Okay, so anyway, and then I was in Steve Dracula, I played Redfield. I said, who wants Steve Flies? Not when I can have nice fat spiders.
Who wants to eat flies? Not when I can have nice fat spiders.
Yeah,
So when Buddy Burnett saw me do that at Monster Bash in 2003, he said, I gotta have this guy in my movies. They paid me $300 to play Renfield. But he cut out a lot of my scenes because he got another guy to play Renfield. But anyway, okay. okay, here we go. Oh yeah, see, it's like I said Frankenstein, he sent me his hanky because he's green, so it's green like Frankenstein. Oh, and then the pumpkin man left me his hanky because, you know, he's orange. So, okay, I think that's it. See, it's empty over here. There's something else in there, it's like a bug in there.
David the Rock Nelson, the magician.